Okay, this is a release from the United States Department of Justice that I have just gotten on the case of Ashley Bush for immediate release to the public. And it says, a Pineville, Missouri couple has been charged in federal court for their roles in the kidnapping and murder of a pregnant Arkansas woman. Amber Waterman, 42, and her husband, Jamie Waterman, 42, were charged in separate criminal complaints signed on Thursday, November the 3rd, and filed in the U.S. District Court in Springfield today. The Watermans remain in federal custody pending detention hearings, which have not yet been scheduled. Amber Waterman is charged with one count of kidnapping resulting in death. The federal criminal complaint alleges that between October the 31st and November the 2nd, 2022, Amber Waterman kidnapped Ashley Bush, who was approximately 31 weeks pregnant, in order to claim her unborn child as her own. She allegedly transported Ashley Bush from Maysville, Arkansas, to Pineville, resulting in her death. Jamie Waterman is charged with one account of being an accessory after the fact to kidnapping resulting in death. The federal criminal complaint alleges that he assisted Amber Waterman in order to hinder and prevent her apprehension, trial, and punishment, knowing she had committed the offense of kidnapping resulting in death. According to an affidavit filed in support of the federal criminal complaints, Amber Waterman adopted the false online persona of Lucy in order to meet Ashley Bush, then lured her to meet a second time to give her a ride to a purported job interview. Instead, the affidavit said Amber Waterman killed Ashley Bush. Amber Waterman allegedly led Jamie Waterman to the body of Ashley Bush, who was clothed and laying face down next to a boat near their house, covered in a tarp. Amber Waterman removed a ring from Ashley's finger and rolled her body onto the blue tarp, which Jamie Waterman then dragged to a fire pit behind the residence. The Watermans allegedly burned the body, moved it onto the bed of Jamie Waterman's blue GMC pickup, and drove a short distance from their residence to hide the body. Ashley Bush was reported as a missing person on Monday, October the 31st. Fiancé told law enforcement that he saw her being driven as a passenger in a pickup truck by a woman he knew as Lucy. They had originally met Lucy at the Gravette, Arkansas Public Library a few days earlier, at which time Lucy was driving the same pickup truck. During this meeting at the library, Lucy and Ashley had discussed employment opportunities, and later that day, Lucy offered to drive her to meet her supervisor at a Bentonville, Arkansas company. On October the 31st, Ashley Bush's fiancé drove to meet Lucy at the Handy Stop convenience store in Maysville. He later received a message to pick her up at the same Handy Stop store. But while he was waiting for her to arrive, he saw Lucy and Ashley drive past without stopping. He attempted to contact Ashley by phone, but his calls went to voicemail. He later found her phone on the side of the highway. Detectives with the Benton County, Arkansas Sheriff's Department examined the phone and found the Facebook account for Lucy. Detectives located a public posting on the account that read, "I have a bunch of baby items for any moms-to-be that need them." Detectives traced the Facebook account to Jamie Waterman and learned from examining Amber Bush's Google records that she had traveled to Pineville, which is approximately 0.15 miles from the Watermans' residence. When investigators questioned the Watermans on Tuesday, November the 1st, they were initially told that Amber had a miscarriage. Detectives noticed what appeared to be blood stains on the inside of the pickup truck that matched the description of the vehicle given by Ashley Bush's fiancé. The vehicle was seized by law enforcement and search warrants were obtained on Thursday, November the 3rd, for the vehicle and residence. Detectives questioned Jamie Waterman again on Thursday, November the 3rd. According to the affidavit, he told detectives that after they had questioned them and left their residence, Amber Waterman told him that she had killed Ashley Bush and then quickly changed her story and said Lucy had killed her. She then led him to the body, which he assisted in disposing. The charges contained in these complaints are simply accusations and not evidence of guilt. Evidence supporting the charges must be presented to the federal trial jury, whose duty is to determine guilt or innocence. These cases are being prosecuted by Assistant U.S. Attorneys Stephanie L. Wan and James J. Keller. They are investigated by the FBI, the Benton County, Arkansas Sheriff's Department, and the McDonald County, Missouri Sheriff's Department, in conjunction with the U.S. Attorney's Office in the Western District of Arkansas and the Benton County, Arkansas Prosecuting Attorney's Office.